wave, smile, your peeling potatoes. Is this your first potato you've ever peeled at Paradiso?
Peeled many probably.
No, have you?
Not with a spoon.
Not since he was wooing me.
Oh,
Yeah.
he was wooing you. So that,
I was
what was that,
very
25 years ago?
25 years ago.
Oh.
He misled me.
Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
The Festarini team is making dinner. Good job, dear. The team is busy at work.
We're all set over here. Almost, anyway.
Look at this.
Look at this deliciousness.
Cam seems very comfortable in this position.
So, one of the 3 or 4 of you
My elements.
is going to take some of these a bit at a time and start frying them.
Okay.
So who's that going to be? Because they need a little mini shaky spiel from me.
Who wants to fry them?
Who's the fryer?
Yeah, whoever's frying, I need to do a little shaky spiel with you.
Somehow I think it's going to be Cam.
Cover them?
Hello, my dear. We're making arancini balls.
So currently,
Arancini.
you put it in cheese?
So I'm not sure.
Or is it what?
JC, what did you put in the mixture?
What is that?
I know you're making the meatball, but what did you put in there to make the meatball? It was already done for you?
Yeah, it was done for
I
us.
don't know what's inside.
So it smells
That's
good.
cheating.
Smells good.
It smells good, yes it does. What are you doing, JC?
All right, so this is the
Making
mixture.
balls.
Okay.
Arancini ball.
And then Jasmine?
I bread it. Yeah, this is a flour mix, I guess.
Yeah,
And
flour
then that's
mix.
the egg kind of thing. And that's
It's like a cheese mix type of thing.
Yeah.
It's like the crust of the
yeah,
actual.
we bread it. And
Well, what did you
It's
put
baked
it in there, Carly?
So I didn't do anything with it. But it is a little bit of
I've
a
heard that
crust.
before.
So we're going to do this same thing with the veal.
Veal.
So this is like the vegetarian version of the veal parm.
Oh.
right,
You didn't do nothing. This is very much, but we don't want too much.
right, right.
You have the, oh, look at her with the technique with the knuckles. That'll be what I just put down.
It's fine.
I'm glad he picked tiramisu because we have to wait for things to cool.
Are we going to have tiramisu or not?
What it leaves behind. A snail trail is always going to have. What I want to see is if it's leaving pieces. But again, it's trying to know how much we're pushing it.
Doing a great job, Monica. JC, what do you think?
Good.
Pull this out of here. And we'll shove this right here.
Shaping the zucchini fritters. Throwing it away from your body so you don't get it all the back.
There you go. That's a good idea.
There you go. Perfect.
Thank God we have Cam here because he's Cam, don't you have to wear big gloves and stuff like that with what you're doing?
No, when you put it in here, just roll it up like
JC, why don't you just try it?
I'll do the one. I know how to
All right. So I want you to put the dimple in. You know the dimple that we
Yes.
talked about? Yes, yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I'll do that.
Yeah, can you do that? So Kim, getting some ideas for the
So if you can put some
queen
extras,
size?
extra cheese.
Yeah, I've done this before, not this way, but similar idea. Just not veal. Actually, I have done veal.
Yeah, that's you.
JC, I'm really impressed with you. You're just jumping right in. So now we know that Jasmine can go out and sell houses and take care. You can take care of the kids and
No
cook.
worries, I got it over this, right?
He's got it all under control.
Yes. Yes. Festarini team, we're here at Paradiso's and we just made ourselves a lovely meal. And Merry Christmas everybody and Happy New Year. Woo-hoo!
Thank you so much to the Paradiso restaurant.
We want to say
Thank you so much to the Paradiso restaurant.
we want to say
Thank you so much to Paradiso's and the team.
on behalf of the Nancy Festarini team, we want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Cheers! 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 Merry Christmas, everyone.